Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your Hero 11 is not working, or if it's not connecting, if it seems to be lagging, anything where you're trying to troubleshoot the camera, a hard reset is a good step. But just keep in mind, if you do this, you will need to set everything back up again because it will all be wiped off of the camera, which will be restored to its out-of-the-box factory defaults. And that's the second reason you might want to do this, is if you, for whatever reason you want to just get this back to the way it was when it was a new camera, we can do this really quite simply. All we need to do is we're going to come into this little button here, right here on the front, and we're going to hit it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And once we do that after 5 times, you should see the factory reset option show up on the screen, at which point you can just hit the shutter button to select the, and then you'll see a little confirmation screen. It will say reset camera with a question mark. You'll need to press this button one more time to toggle over to check it, to make sure you do the confirmation, and then you'll need to hit the shutter button one more time to execute it. Once you hit that shutter button, everything will be reset and wiped off of the camera.